Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to generate speech using free AI tools. It's super easy, completely free, and no login is required. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your browser and then type this web address, this one. I will copy it and then paste. Then just click on create and then choose create text to speech. Scroll down and here just type the text that you want the AI to say. I will copy my text from ChatGPT. Next, just pick your preferred voice styles. You can choose professional, friendly, or storyteller. And then you can choose your voice model. Next, just hit generate. And let's try play the audio.
Technology is evolving fast. AI, robotics, and quantum computing are transforming our world. From smart homes to self-driving cars, innovation is shaping the future. Exciting, powerful, and just beginning. The future is now. Are you ready?
And okay, it's really good. Your speech is created automatically. It's really simple, free, and no login needed. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.